Hey everybody, it's Daniel. Welcome back to Learn Spanish with Daniel. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos. I've been recording a lot of podcasts for the Spain to Go podcast project, but that's a totally different thing. So today I wanted to talk about the verb gustar. Just to give you some idea of the difficulty of the verb gustar. Many years ago, I was talking to a friend about this Peruvian girl. The Peruvian girl was having a party that weekend. The Peruvian girl wanted me to come to the party. My friend said, "Le gustas mucho." And I'm sitting there with my little 22-year-old brain. Like, who likes what? I don't even know who likes what in that sentence. Le gustas mucho. Eventually, after several hours thinking about it, I realized the Peruvian girl liked me. But how do we get to that point using the grammar? Well, it's a little bit complex. It's different than in English. So today we're going to talk about the different forms, the different ways of using the verb gustar. Let's go. Okay, so I just did a little bit of research here. I've been thinking that gustar was a reflexive verb my whole life. It's not, it's some other kind of verb. I just read a little bit about it, or tried to, but it's like very complicated Spanish grammar stuff. I feel dumber than when I started. Anyway, it's not a reflexive verb, it's a different kind of verb. The thing is, it needs that pronoun, and it's very different than in English because gustar is what the thing does to the person. In English, we say, I like that. I like this. I like you. I like her. I like chocolate. Whatever you want, but it's I like that thing. Like is an emotion that I feel about that thing. So I am the subject. Like is the thing that I am doing. I am liking whatever the thing is. In Spanish, it is the opposite. The thing does it to me. So I am the, receiver of the emotion, but the thing causes the emotion. So all of this to say, the verb is conjugated according to the thing, not to me. Okay, is this confusing yet? Well, let's talk in simpler terms about how to actually use it. Easy way of explaining this. If the thing is singular, let's use me gusta. Me gusta is I like, something singular. So, me gusta el chocolate, me gusta el vino, me gusta la paella, me gusta España. These are singular things. I like chocolate, I like wine, I like paella, I like Spain. Singular things. Me gusta el chocolate, me gusta el vino, me gusta la paella, me gusta España. We could talk about verbs. Like a verb is an activity, it's a singular activity. Me gusta correr, me gusta bailar. Let me try saying correr again with a good double R in the middle of it. Me gusta correr, me gusta bailar. These are activities. I like running, I like dancing, etc. Me gusta tu hermana. I like your sister. But in any case, the translation in reality would be more like your sister pleases me. Your sister pleases me. Wine pleases me. Chocolate pleases me. Spain pleases me. Whatever you want. The thing is in singular, so it's me gusta. If the thing is in plural, if it's the things instead of the thing, it's me gustan. All of this changes if we're talking about a different person who is being pleased in these situations, but let's just keep this very simple for this one. Maybe I'll do more in a future video if you want. Me gustan tus zapatillas. I like your tennis shoes, your trainers, if you will. Me gustan tus zapatillas. Zapatos are like more of sort of formal, office/business shoes, dress shoes. I mean, it's a little bit generic, but people will sometimes correct you if you're wearing zapatillas and you call them zapatos. Zapatillas are, trainers, athletic shoes. So me gustan tus zapatillas. You're wearing two of them, so I like both of them. I like them. Me gustan. Me gustan las corridas de toros. I like bullfights. Sure, we're in Spain, it's summer. Bullfighting is still legal in several areas. Me gustan las corridas de toros. Me gustan los calamares. I like squid. Squid in English is singular, but in Spanish it's plural. Me gustan los calamares. Similar to the Spanish or the Italian word calamari, obviously. Me gustan los calamares. Me gustan las rubias. I like blonde women, if you want to talk about that. Me gustan las españolas. I like Spanish women. Whatever you want. In Spanish, the adjectives are gendered and singular or plural, so los españoles, las españolas. The gender changes. Rubio, rubia, rubios, and rubias, the gender and the number changes, etc. Long story. Anyway, me gustan las rubias is that. You can like whoever you want. So, like I said, the translation would be more like bullfights please me, your tennis shoes please me. I realize that that sounds absolutely ridiculous if I say it that way in English, but in Spanish, that's just kind of how they say it. So, me gustan tus ojos verdes. I like your green eyes. Whatever you want. With, me gustan plus a plural thing. So, me gusta plus singular, me gustan with a plural. But what about if I want to know if you like it? Well, it's the same thing. If you like it, it's singular. The question is te gusta. Te gusta with a singular. Te gustan with a plural. So, te gusta el chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Te gusta el vino? Do you like wine? Te gusta correr? Do you like running? Te gusta bailar? Do you like dancing? The verbs, when we're talking about verbs as an activity in general like this, we use the infinitive in Spanish, not the ing form. So, te gusta bailar? Do you like dancing? All te gusta with a singular thing. If you are asking about something that is plural, te gustan los calamares? Do you like squid? Te gustan los calamares? Te gustan mis zapatillas? Do you like my tennis shoes? Te gustan los hombres pelirrojos? Do you like ginger men, for example? Te gustan las corridas de toros? Do you like bullfights? ¿Te gustan las películas de terror? Do you like horror films? ¿Te gustan las películas de terror? All of these things, te gustan in plural. So this brings us back to the beginning of this little video where my friend said, le gustas mucho, about my relationship with a Peruvian girl. So, le gustas mucho, why is it le gustas mucho? Well, it's because in that sentence, somebody is talking to me. El gustas is something I do to ella. Technically, you could say le gustas a ella, or a ella le gustas mucho, which is you please her. You please her quite a bit. That's why it is le gustas. So the pronouns there, me, te, le, nos, os, y les. Imagine I have a sixth finger there. Me, te, le, nos, os, y les are the pronouns. So me gusta, te gusta, le gusta, nos gusta, os gusta, les gusta. That would probably be better that I explain with a lot of examples another time. This is going to get really long if I try to explain all of those. But, just to give you an example, os gusta bailar? Do you in plural, vosotros or vosotras? Do you like dancing? Os gusta bailar? If I wanted to say, we like queso manchego, manchego cheese, nos gusta el queso manchego. We like manchego cheese. This is a specific kind of Spanish cheese, often made from the milk of a sheep, I believe. Nos gusta el queso manchego. There's a lot you can do there. Finally, let's end with I like you and do you like me? You never know when you're going to need to know this. I like you. Me gustas. Me gustas mucho, Maria. I like you very much, Maria. This is usually that I want to date you, not that I like you in a friendly way. Me gustas mucho. If you say it, I made the mistake of telling one of the girls named Maria who I dated once, me gusta tu amigo Paco, and she was like weirded out by this because, that made me sound like I was way too, into Paco in a romantic way. Not what I had intended. So, me gustas mucho, Maria. I like you a lot. You please me very much. And if I want to know, do you like me? It is te gusto. God, it took me years to figure this out and to just believe that that's how you say it, but te gusto. The gusto is because I please you. I am the one doing the verb of pleasing you. It starts to sound a little bit dirty if you translate it. But yes, do I please you, Maria? Te gusto. So, all of that to say that it is very different in English than in Spanish, and you got to practice to get the, correct verb conjugations for all of these different situations of liking one thing or another, one person liking another person, etc. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Let's do this again soon. Subscribe to the channel. Go to my website, expatmadrid.com, where we've got a lot of Spanish stuff, but mostly sort of Madrid and Barcelona lifestyle stuff, just information about living in Madrid. I've been just doing whatever I feel like on there these days, so there's some history stuff about the Spanish Civil War, there's, Spanish proverbs, etc. You can listen to my podcast. It is called Spain to Go. It is on all of the big podcast platforms, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, etc. There's 42 episodes, or 43 at this point, so you can listen to that and enjoy. Nada más, espero que pases un muy buen día. Hasta la próxima. Bye.